Hello everyone. Welcome back to another fun and educational video. Today, we are exploring the kitchen, a place where delicious meals are made. Do you know the names of the common items we use in the kitchen? Let's take a closer look at these household essentials. Big pot. This large pot is perfect for cooking soups, stews, and boiling pasta. It helps us prepare meals for the whole family. Blender. A blender is used to mix and blend ingredients, making smoothies, soups, and sauces with ease. Bottle. We use bottles to store water, juice, and other liquids. Some bottles come with caps to keep drinks fresh. Bowl. A bowl is used for eating cereal, soup, or even mixing ingredients for baking. Chopsticks. These are traditional eating utensils used in many Asian countries to pick up food. Coffee maker. A coffee maker helps brew a fresh cup of coffee, perfect for starting the day. Cup. A cup is used for drinking water, tea, or any favorite beverage. Cutting board. This board protects the countertop while cutting vegetables, fruits, or meat. Fork. A fork helps us pick up food easily while eating. Grater. A grater is used to shred cheese, vegetables, or even zest citrus fruits. Kettle. A kettle is used to boil water, making it ready for tea, coffee, or cooking. Knife. A knife is an essential tool for cutting, chopping, and slicing ingredients. Measuring cup. This cup is used to measure liquids or dry ingredients for cooking and baking. Oven gloves. Oven gloves protect our hands from heat when handling hot trays and dishes. Pan. A pan is great for frying eggs, cooking pancakes, or stir-frying vegetables. Pepper. Pepper is a common spice that adds flavor and a bit of heat to food. Plate. We serve meals on plates, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Pot. A pot is used for cooking food on the stove, similar to a big pot, but in a smaller size. Rolling pin. A rolling pin flattens dough for baking bread, cookies, and pastries. Salt. Salt is an important seasoning that enhances the taste of food. Saucepan. A saucepan is smaller than a pot and is great for making sauces, boiling milk, or reheating food. Spatula. A spatula is used for flipping pancakes, stirring food, and spreading ingredients evenly. Spoon. A spoon helps us eat soup, rice, or mix ingredients when cooking. Strainer. A strainer helps drain water from pasta, rinse vegetables, or remove seeds from juice. Water flask. A water flask keeps beverages hot or cold for hours. It is useful for carrying drinks on the go. Weighing machine. A weighing machine is used to measure the weight of ingredients, ensuring accurate cooking and baking. These are just some of the many useful tools we use in the kitchen every day. Knowing their names helps us understand their functions and how they make cooking easier. Which of these kitchen items do you use the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning content. See you in the next video.